This compilation's not going to be focused on how many decibels my burps are. It's just going to be how cool they are. That was really bassy. Hey, come here. That was really good, wasn't it?
Hey, you ever watch my compilation?
I love it when my burps have that high tenor at the end. Fuck. Got stuck. That was awesome. I'm gonna explain what I just did there. So, you know, I collected my air and everything, but what I did at the end is I stood up straight so that my respiration was open, and I just let out everything. So I'm gonna do that again. It's awesome. Two thumbs up.